And hi guys, welcome back to another video. You are watching youtube.com/meekfro. We are talking about logos slash watermark involving your channels as an influencer. Basically, you're gonna want to have a watermark on your videos, especially on YouTube or Facebook, wherever you're posting videos. You're gonna want a watermark, okay? So just showing you today the quickest way to get a watermark going, a logo or a watermark. Get one going using canva.com or the Canva app. If you have not watched my previous video, if you have not seen that video, that is part 1 of this part 2 video. Basically all the things you're gonna need to make yourself legit, or appear legit at least. So today we're talking about logo, watermark, that type of thing. Mainly a watermark. Showing you guys how to add a watermark to your YouTube video. The most simple way. There are other ways you can add a watermark to your videos using the software that you use to edit your videos with. You can add your watermark that way, but today we're gonna add our watermark through YouTube. YouTube does give you a spot, a place where you can actually upload a watermark and it will be on all your videos. The purpose of a watermark pretty much, in my terms, I would just say for anyone who decides they want to steal your video or use your video for whatever reason, your watermark will be in the corner of that screen. Your watermark will be in the corner of that video, so people will know that if they recognize your logo, people will know that you made the video, okay? That it is your work. So we are going to go to the computer here, my laptop behind me, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get your watermark going, okay? So let's go. Alright guys, so we are on canva.com. We have typed in logo and pulled up the logo templates that canva.com has. Just trying to find one that kind of meets the eye, So basically when you pick one out, all you're going to have to do is click use template and then just switch out the information that they have already in place, and just, use your creativity to kind of switch this up to your liking. Keep in mind, as I've said in the previous video, everything about your brand needs to flow if you so desire, but I feel like professionalism, that's what's required. Let all your colors and things kind of flow together. These aren't my colors, you guys. I'm just basically just kind of showing you guys how to pretty much put together the logo. So you're just switching things out, deleting stuff, just whatever it is you like. You can go through all the elements on canva.com and just kind of find out, what matches you, what resonates with you in your brand, and just kind of put it together like so. So that's pretty much what I'm doing right here, just making the logo to my liking. And then once I'm done doing that, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to save this logo. So this is the actual one that I made for my brand here. Don't bother the background, because the background will not be important, because we will be saving this as a transparent logo. So since I'm on my computer here and I am not a Canva Pro account, I'm just a regular free Canva account, it will not allow you to save as transparency. As you can see on your computer, it will not. No. So just showing you guys here that that option is not available. But I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get around that. Now you can save it as anything else, but transparency, which is what we need, it will not allow you to do that here. So I'm going to show you how. Since canva.com does not allow you to save your logo with transparency, because it does require you to pay money to upgrade on their website or app to have access to that type of thing and other things, we want to get around that, and there is a way around that because, as I've said, I do have a free account with Canva. I don't pay anything to make any of my graphics, so I was still able to save my logo as a transparent logo. So I'm gonna head over to my phone. You're going to want to download the Canva app onto your phone. Also, what's so brilliant about this, if you're making all your designs on your computer device through your canva.com account, when you download the app, the Canva app, and log in with your login information, every design you've ever made will be saved into your designs. So if you just made something on the computer, you will see that it is saved exactly how you made it on the computer on your phone in your app. Let's check it out. Alrighty, we're on our app. I have an iPhone XR, so this is how the Canva app looks, and this is all the designs I've ever made on Canva. So we find the one we just made on our computer. There it is. And pretty much you just tap the icon in the far right to save with transparency, and after a few tries it will let you save it as transparency. So just keep trying, and then after it's saved, I went to my camera roll to show you that it is in fact transparent. So if the background is black like that, that means it was a success. You want to go to the desktop version on your phone, the Safari on your phone, desktop version, and click here as you see branding, and then you're going to want to add your watermark there. So this is on YouTube, and you want to look for the image you made, the watermark, and upload it here and save. And then after you do that, you're going to want to make sure that watermark goes all the way throughout the entire video. So select entire video and update. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. All of these, the watermark will be on all of your videos, pretty much. So we're going to go and see if that is the case. Just go to one of your videos. You can either go on your phone, your YouTube app, but you have to turn your phone sideways to even see the logo. And I'm going to check on my computer as well. So I'm going to go onto my laptop here. Here I am. Clicking on one of my videos to ensure that the logo is in fact there, and there it is. The logo is actually clickable, you guys. It sends your viewers to your channel if they click on it. Interesting. Well guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that little tutorial there. Thanks so much for watching. Do me a favor, thumbs up this video for me please if you have not. Subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so you'll know when videos like these are being uploaded. Okay. Thanks guys so much for watching. If you have any other requests, any questions or anything, do hit the comment box. Lay it all out there, let me know. I will be happy to help you guys. Thanks guys so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.